I've been playing for this title for years now, and I remember one year especially I made every semi-finals, and I was points away from making the finals, and then I just never happened, and then it's just heartbreaking, and just stay in it and just came back the next year, and I played, made the final, made one finals that year, and this year I managed to start off the second quarter of the year pretty good with a championship. It feels fulfilling. I feel like the work has been showing.
A bit inconsistent, impatient. Foreign had some troubles in the first set. I kind of got it back in the second. I saw it coming in the third, but I guess it just didn't come properly. I was just impatient.
Your thoughts on your tournament as you look up?
Happy how I played. Beat some people that I don't normally beat, so I think that's an improvement.
As usual, it's always a battle royal with Seretse, and especially in the first set, he was swinging. I was trying to hit his game, making a lot of mistakes, and at 5 love down, I decided to completely change the game and resort to more of a defensive play. So, as usual, a battle royal. I'm out of legs right now, so I'm really glad I didn't have to go to a third set.
I was in control for first part of the game. Had a big lead in the first set. Blew that lead eventually. I just think after developing that lead, I think Ruddy made some changes to his game, and I failed to adapt. So I just think at a point in the game, I allowed him to start dictating the game on his terms, and I started to play on his terms. And then in the second set, when I tried to adapt to what he was putting at me on the court, I wasn't able to do it successfully. So I just have to give him his credit because he was down and he fought back. He was resilient. So I have to give it to him, and he deserved to win tonight.